Hey guys, beautiful day out here in Michigan. So I decided to come out and give a quick update on the progress of building my home. And there it is right behind me. Let's see if I can get it in the frame. I am using a DJI Osmo Pocket and it is currently tracking my face. So let me see if I can clear that. Okay, now you should be able to see it without it tracking my face. There we go. A little tricky, but man, this gimbal is just difficult to use. Wow. I have to give him that feedback. Let's try flipping the camera. Alright, much better. So there it is. The bricking has been completed. The roofing shingles have been installed. Front lot grading complete. Windows installed. Up next, we'll be pouring my driveway and my garage. Inside, they've also completed the drywall, so we'll take a quick peek in there in just a second. But yeah, beautiful day out here in Michigan, so why not come out and take some video. So this is the main entrance here. You can see the drywall has been completed, completely drywalled and patched. Coming into the great room with a big window, and now you get a view of the future kitchen. Wow, some squeaking there. I have to fix that. This is where the pantry will be. Space for the fridge. And through there would be the garage and the mudroom. Let's take a quick peek. It's also been drywalled, but it hasn't been completed. I'm supposed to be getting my garage poured next week, weather permitting. We'll see how that goes, because it's supposed to be rainy. But as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day outside, so I thought, why not come out here and do some filming of the progress. Actually have some good lighting for once. It's like every time I come out, it's overcast or gloomy, but with the full sun, you can see the progress has been very good. So this is what it's like when you're building a home. You come out here every few days, document the changes, get excited. Very cool experience. I definitely recommend it. That's the study. Let's take a quick peek at that. Maybe I'll turn it into an office. Here's my powder room. Again, the front entryway. On the right will be my dining room, on the left, my sitting room. Let's take a closer look upstairs. Right as we walk up, we see the master bedroom with French doors that are going to be installed. Very roomy. Double step ceiling. Let's take a peek at the bathroom. Tub has been installed. His and her bathrooms. Sorry, not his and hers bathrooms. His and her sink. There we have, let's see if I can pan it down a little bit. That's the tubing for the sinks. Shower. And toilet room. I've got about 10% battery on this, so let's see if we can quickly look at the rooms. Check out that progress. Laundry room is going to be right in there. But this is going to be my main hall upstairs. Bathroom right in there. Second bedroom. Third bedroom with a big beautiful window overlooking the front. You can really see how sunny it is today. I love it. Spring is upon us in Michigan. This would be like overseeing the front yard. And finally the fourth bedroom right in here. One thing I did forget to mention is all the bedrooms have walk-in closets, which is a bonus. And like I said, a big, beautiful sunny day out here in Michigan. I love it. And there you have it, guys. A quick update on the progress of building a home with Clearview. I'll try to get another video out soon, and we'll catch you next time.